Noted. Katie could destroy them.
I could eat like 5 of those fat bombs, like, and then become a fat bomb.
Yeah.
Hi, Lindsay here. You may have seen that we currently have a promotion on our Naked Coconuts product. That includes our virgin unrefined coconut oil, the refined unscented coconut oil for those of you who don't like that coconut flavor, MCT or medium chain triglyceride oil, a fan of anyone who is doing the keto diet, and then also the soyless soy sauce, which is great for people like me who have a soy sensitivity or allergy. Those are 20% off until March 9th. So I've got the staff. I'm gonna bring them in and we're gonna try all of those and see what we think. Hey everybody, hey. So what we have here that you folks will be trying, we've got the soup, which you've got in front of you. That is the spicy zoodle soup that was featured on Naked Coconut's Instagram.
So what's in this one?
That one has the soyless soy sauce.
That's delicious.
Umami kind of situation, I find. Delicious.
I love it.
So in the stir fry, there's the soyless soy sauce. Yeah, it's very tasty.
I really like that one.
I would definitely make it again.
Oh my gosh, I just took my first bite of the salad and I'm obsessed.
Okay, so we had lunch. Everybody's feeling, tummy's full, feeling good. So we have treats to finish it off.
Granola bars are like really filling. Like I feel like I could eat 2 of those and feel like good
Right.
to go for like hours.
Yeah, and I chopped those tiny too. They're not big
small.
pieces.
It's like a tasty delight.
Right?
Oh god. Yeah, I could destroy them for sure.
Noted. Katie could destroy them.
I could eat like 5 of those fat bombs, like, and then become a fat bomb.
Yeah. Yeah.
So good.